In this class, I am going to explain about the cost. So, amount of money spent to produce cost, that is called as cost. There are different types of cost. One is total cost. So, in total cost, it consists of two items, that is fixed cost and variable cost. When you are adding fixed cost and variable cost, then we'll get total cost. Total cost means this is the cost which does not change based on production. For example, rent. And variable cost means it will change according to the rate of production, that is cost of raw materials. So total cost means both the costs, the summation of both the costs is called as total cost. So when we see the graphical representation of these costs, so TC is the total cost curve, and TVC is the total variable cost, and TFC is the total fixed cost. So in this graph, we are measuring costs on y-axis and the total cost curve. So that is we are measuring on x-axis. So TFC is a horizontal curve, that means there is no change, and whatever the total cost the changes are occurring, that is due to the changes in the total variable cost. And there are different types of cost. One is economic cost. So in the economic cost, there are that is the addition of two costs. One is explicit cost and the second one is implicit cost. So explicit cost means money payments that a firm makes to the outsiders who supplies inputs. That means whatever the cost which they are paying to the outsider, so in turn to purchase those factors of production. So that cost will be called as explicit cost, and the second one is implicit cost. That means self-owned resources which are employed by the firm. That means if at all he is employing his own building, or if he is using his own car, then whatever the amount he is paying to the remuneration of these, it will be called as implicit cost. So when we are talking about the different types of cost, one is marginal cost. So this is the addition to the cost associated with one additional unit of production. That means when we want to produce one additional unit of output, so whatever the cost we are incurring, that is called as marginal cost. And average total cost means total cost divided by output. That means whatever the average cost we want to get, so then we are dividing total cost with the output. And then average variable cost means total variable cost divided by output. That means whatever the variable cost we are incurring, that divided by output, that is called average variable cost. And then average fixed cost means total fixed cost divided by output. So this is a graphical representation of marginal cost, average total cost, and average variable cost, and then average fixed cost. So here we can see that ATC, AVC, and MC, both the three curves are U-shaped curves, and then AFC is a sloping downwards from left to right. And here we can observe that MC is intersecting AC, where AC is minimum, that is also from below it is intersecting. And then revenue means amount of money earned after selling the products. So whatever the revenue we are getting, that is whatever the production we have produced, so that we are selling in the market, then whatever the revenue will get, that is called revenue. And different types of revenue, that is total revenue means, so when we are selling the total quantity, that means at a fixed price, that is P into Q, then it will be called as TR. And then average revenue, that will get TR divided by Q, that is called AR. And then marginal revenue means the additional revenue when we are getting from the selling of additional unit of production, that is called marginal revenue. And then here, these are the different revenue curves. So in this diagram, we are seeing that TR is a upward sloping curve, and then AR and MR curves both are horizontal to the x-axis. That means price, marginal revenue, and then average revenue. All the three are horizontal curves. And in the last graph, we are seeing that long run average cost curve. So it is a summation, or it is a addition of all the short run average cost curves.